Yeah. Cool. So aside from coronavirus, do you prefer Uber and Lyft or Instacart if you could choose one right now?
Absolutely Instacart. Like
Yeah.
I like 1,000%. I wish I would have started with Instacart. I just didn't know about it.
Yeah.
But I'm honestly worried, once all of this is over, I don't know if this is still going to be as good as it is now. I mean, because tips are so high and
True.
then, the demand is there. Like, I don't know if the demand is still going to be there. Plus they're trying to bring on 300,000 new people. Like, I don't know what that's going to mean for Instacart when,
I mean, yeah, when I was going out before, like unless you wanted to do like a $10 batch with including tip, like you're waiting like
yeah.
a lot. So yeah.
Well, I don't think it's necessarily that way here. I've heard some of my customers have said that they waited a few days for it, but then I had a lady tell me the other day, she's like, yeah, I told them I would like it same day if they're able to get it to me. And she said, and you showed up a couple hours later.
Oh, nice.
So I don't think that's always the case, the wait.